Hello, happy afternoon. Today is Tuesday afternoon and I'm here in this called Long Jetty Wharf. It's called wharf because in this place there are many wharfs. It's literally a jetty where it used to be used by fishermen. They dock the boat here and they will tie it around. People coming here to chill out and relax and just watch the sunset disappear from the horizon. As you can see behind me, this is a beautiful view here in this jetty. This is the longest jetty, I think, and there's another big jetty over there. Over there were like a few jetty, and then there's also a few jetty on the other side. So that's why they call it Long Jetty. And I'm walking with my friend Danny, and she's already ahead of me because I keep stopping and taking a photo and video just to show you guys how majestic the nature is. How pretty it is! Only 25 minutes from where I live, and this is my favorite spot because around here there's a really good walking track. Okay, hi guys, this is my lovely friend. Her name is Danny, the pretty girl. She's my good friend here in Australia, and we're walking here this afternoon. And now we're about to finish our walk, and we walk here in the jetty to see the magnificent sunset. As you can see, it's so pristine, so tranquil. What else? So majestic. But it's just a bit smelly because of the rotten seaweeds. And it's cold. It's very cold. My nose is running. So now we're going ahead to the end of the jetty where the sun lies over there. Golden hour. But actually it's not golden hour anymore. The sun is about to set. Let's do a selfie quick. Oh, the sun is good. Wait. Cheese! Yeah. Say hi. That's Danny. What's that? What's that? Korean?
Korean.
Nice. What else? Majestic, heavenly. This is what you see here in Long Jetty sunset. How good is God?